Hey there YouTube, just want to do a quick little video here of a roof we just completed. This is an Owens Corning Duration Sierra Gray. So it's one of the lighter gray colors. Looks really sharp here on a white old building here. This is a very old building right in the middle of downtown Richland that we just recently completed. It's old, but obviously we're going to give it some new life with this beautiful new roof. So once again, this is an Owens Corning Duration Sierra Gray. Matches the roof of the existing church pretty well here. So this is one of the lighter gray colors. So if you're interested in a light gray Owens Corning Duration roof, here from Clearview Roofing and Restoration, we'd be happy to give you a hand. Once again, we're here in beautiful downtown Richland, Michigan, right in the town square here, right across the street from our office. As always, if we can do anything to help, feel free to give us a call at the office at 269-215-9600. That's 269-215-9600. Thank you.